All right, so now to round it out with the bonus round, I know we threw a lot of technical jargon at you, but the idea here is just to plant some seeds for everybody, get you thinking about some opportunities, maybe perhaps a little bit differently in how you might activate your teams. So for the final three we got a couple quick slides on each of these topics for you. Core Web Vitals, which is actually not a new trend. It's been around for a while, but it's one of the latest Google algorithm updates. This was first introduced in May 2020. And as we know with Google, anytime they make a change to their algorithm, it behooves us as marketers to pay attention, because we've talked a lot today about paid media and paying for clicks to your sites and your content, but we do want to take advantage of that earned exposure as well. And being on page one of Google results is still an important component of exposure in today's marketing world. The difference with Core Web Vitals is it's a little bit more of a technical component to Google, complying to Google's latest algorithm updates, and they've defined it a bit clearer than they have in the past. A lot of times it's kind of like black magic, but with this update, it really centers around three major things: making sure your site speeds up to par and it's loading quickly. So that would mean getting rid of some extraneous code and large images. Visual stability is a big component of this as well. That's the second item. Not having too many items shift or move around that could be distracting to the end user. And finally, user interaction time, just getting people to leverage, stay on your site, engage with your site. Google's customers are those who are searching and clicking on our content. So Google wants to be sure we're putting our best foot forward on their behalf, and they will reward us with higher rankings if we abide by those regulations. How do you get started here? I talked to your web and IT teams internally. There's some assessments you can leverage on Google Search Console and development tools to ensure your site is compliant. You can get some scoring on that, and that'll be a helpful way to target how you're doing with that.